Hey there, we're back with another episode of how to use my smartphone. We're going to turn it on the side over here. Bring up that cute picture of that boy. We'll swipe up, enter our PIN. And today's episode is all about how to add an app and uninstall it. Like install an app and then uninstall it. So we're going to go to the Play Store. So we've got all kinds of apps that they recommend. If you're looking for a specific app, you can type in up here. Let's say, oh gosh, I don't know. There's a banking app called Ally. You can click on Ally. And there's the banking app. You can click on Ally. You can click Install. And we will oh, your account setup is not done. We'll skip this for now. So we'll allow it to install the app. This little green circle shows you that it is in the process of installing the app. When that green circle is complete, it will then do a little bit of thinking, and when it is finished installing the app and it is ready to use, this little open button over here on the right will turn green, and we can click on that and start utilizing the app. So right now, there we go. So we will click on Open. This brings up the Ally app. If you don't have Ally as a bank, you just say to yourself, whoops, I don't need that app. So we're going to go back to the main screen. We're going to click this middle button here on the bottom. That's your home button. And the Ally app will show up in your list of apps. So you swipe up from the bottom, and you're just looking for that purple Ally logo. And we're not going to see it here. There it is right there. So there's your Ally Mobile. We're going to click on the Ally Mobile app and see you've got select items, add to home, uninstall, or app info. You want to uninstall, so we will click the minus there. It asks you again, do you want to uninstall this app?
I like it.
You say okay. And uninstalled Ally Mobile. You'll see that the icon has disappeared. And Ally is no longer on your phone. We're going to click the middle button down here. That takes you back to the home screen. And we will click the button on the side to turn off the main screen.